How to log in into Optima tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into Optima tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now on the search bar, search for Optima tax login. After searching, different websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen. From these different websites and links, click on the very first website that says Optima Tax Relief Client Portal Login. Now wait for a while and you'll be directed to this page. Here you can see the login interface. Simply enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password, click on Forget Password option. So simply enter all of your details and click on Login option. And with that, you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your Optima tax account. So that's all. In this very easy and simple way, you can log in into your Optima tax account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.